Siren test is complete.
Copy that. This is N5MKY net control. I will now pull each station for their activity report. Let's see here. General Foods, Cliff Street, W8RDX.
W8RDX worked as designed.
Thank you, Jim. B. Henry Building, Marshall Avenue in Washington, AB8I.
Functioned, rotated, one solid tone only. AB8I.
Roger, that's the way it's supposed to function. Just one solid tone. Let's see, let's go back up here. Bailey Park, W8KDB. Bailey Park, W8KDB. We thank you very much for your time and participation. Hopefully next month we'll be able to get together for lunch afterwards. This test is not complete and all stations may secure. This is N5MKY out.
N5MKY, W8 Charity.
W8JRD, N5MKY, go ahead.